Huge number of Instagram users have seen a message that says was live on their application this week. But what does it mean? If you're confused at what's going on in Instagram, so let's find out. The strange message is appearing on the stories section for lots of Instagram users this week. When scrolling through the story, we see a message saying was live, which appears below everyone's usernames. The was live message usually appears when somebody has recently done a live stream on Instagram. However, everyone didn't suddenly go live at once. Instagram is experiencing a glitch in which everyone's profile is displaying the was live message when they never actually went live on the application. There's no need to panic, and you didn't go live without realizing. It's a bug within the social media platform that is completely out of your control. Sadly, there's not much you can do but wait for Instagram to fix the issue. Make sure your application is updated to latest version, and if you're feeling impatient, you can try these potential fixes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.